Now we're gonna put the cream between the layers and we're gonna form the cake. As you're gonna see, we're gonna take some cream and just spread it on the first layer. Needs to be enough for 3 layers. The fourth one is going to be topped with whipped cream. So this is 1 layer, and we're going to take this layer and put it on top. Make sure that it stands okay, and put the second layer, cover it with the cream too. You want to put it enough of it between the layers. Now we're going to put the third layer. And almost finished. Almost done. Put this one on the other side so it will stay. You can move them. Make sure that they sit sturdy on each other. Okay.